The Goodman E1 error code indicates an indoor air sensor fault in your HVAC system, specifically related to sensors that monitor indoor air temperature or coil conditions. This error, commonly found in Goodman models like the GSX series air conditioners and GDH series heat pumps, signals that your system has detected a problem with these sensors. The error is a safety and efficiency mechanism within Goodman's control board, such as the comfort bridge. The indoor air sensor measures temperature or humidity to regulate the system's operation, including blower speed, compressor function, and defrost cycles in heat pumps. If sensor readings fall outside acceptable thresholds, such as negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for thermistors, the E1 error triggers. This often causes the system to enter a protective mode, which may include shutting down or limiting operation. Symptoms can range from a complete lack of cooling or heating to erratic fan speeds or even an audible alert. Addressing this promptly is crucial to prevent inefficiencies and potential long-term damage to your HVAC system. Failing to do so can lead to a 10 to 15% loss of efficiency. First, try resetting the system by power cycling it. Turn off the unit at the breaker for 5 to 10 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, inspect the wiring connected to the sensor, looking for loose connections, corrosion, or damage in the sensor harness, typically found in the air handler or furnace. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. For example, a healthy thermistor should read around 10K ohms at 77 degree Fahrenheit. If the sensor is faulty, replacing it usually costs between 20 to 50. Also, check for any obstructions, dust, or moisture near the sensor that could interfere with proper operation. Goodman's smart home ecosystem provides the Goodman app updated in 2025, which has real-time error notifications and guided fixes. Many fixes for the E1 error are now possible through step-by-step guides and video tutorials available through online apps. If the issue persists, advanced diagnostics using Goodman's tools or a technician's manifold gauge set might be necessary. Keeping sensors clean can prevent most of these errors and help maintain your system's efficiency.